How to log in Coinbase without phone number verification. So if you want to log into the Coinbase without the phone number verification, then first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Chrome browser. So simply search for Coinbase account recovery, and once you've searched, you will have can't sign into your account, which is on the first. Tap on the help center on your Coinbase and scroll down, or if you don't find the option of login without phone number, then you need to simply go for the search and search for login without phone number. Once you've searched, here you can scroll down, and here you will have the sign in option on the upper right. Tap on the sign in and it will take you to the login page of your Coinbase. So what it will do is it will not give you the option of phone number. So you can enter your email address and password, and you can sign in with your passkey, you can sign in with your Google, Apple, or your wallet, but you will not have an option of phone number. So you need to enter the email address, tap on continue, and it will ask you to enter the password. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot password, and then it will give you the recovery code to the email address or the verification code to the email address, and you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then enter your email, continue, and then enter your password. So under reset also you will have two options. So you can reset using your SMS, but if you don't have the access to the mobile number, then you can choose the email. So enter the email and tap on reset password, and now the instructions has been sent to the email. So that's it. You can log in with your email and password without entering your phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.